Hello guys, today our topic is the emerging courses for bioscience students after 12th. Yeah, we know the NEET and MSET and there are other kind of exams CU set and all. Yeah, beyond that there is any emergence courses are there is any career important courses are there for bioscience students. These are the unique courses I am gonna discuss you today. Yes, just focus it guys, it is the informative and career. Okay, these are the unique courses are there, which is forestry, wildlife and environment. Just look into this, how it is beautiful subject, forestry, environment and wildlife. Yeah, we come across many geographical channels and we come across many forest species. So, is there any career for the conservation of these forest, environment and wildlife? Just discuss it. Yes, yeah, here is the guidelines for the BiPC students about the after 12th in this pathway of forest, wildlife and environment. Yeah, what is that? Okay, we are going to discuss what is forestry. Guys, after 12th there is a B.Sc courses in many disciplines like biotechnology, bioinformatics, microbiology and all. Apart from that, there are certain courses regarding forest, that is B.Sc forestry. These courses are there. It is 4-year degree program. After 12th, this is 4-year mean 16th study over. This is the good opportunity to move abroad for higher education about 16th study. Like program 4 years program focusing on forest conservation. Just look into this. Yeah, forest conservation and yeah, for ecology and resource management. Just look into this. Yeah, ecology and conservation of forest and ecology, ecological balance like tanks and lake ecosystems like forest, and along with forest there is a seas and oceans. There is a system which is water bodies and forest connect together to conserve. Okay, ecology and resources management. It include, this is agroforestry and the forest laws also there. There is a agroforestry mean there is a conservation of forestry. Forest is about 23% in the earth land. We can increase up to the 33% as per government norms. In that way, they are providing certain courses for the B.Sc agriculture, B.Sc forestry for forest development. Conservation mean to improve the forest for the next generation. This is sustainable development. For the, we can carry forward, this is the ecosystem for the next generation. This is the government agenda. In this way, for the B.Sc students, there are government jobs also there. That is forest beat officer, forest range officer, forest conservative officer. Like these kind of best career opportunities are there with the B.Sc forestry. And you can carry forward into the IFS, Indian Forest Service also. Yes, and if come to the B.Sc forestry, it is 4-year degree which is most important for higher studies. Yeah, if come to the next slide, B.Sc wildlife science. Guys, just look into this. You come across geography channel. There are certain types of species. They can critically endangered species, vulnerable species, near threatened species. Yeah, there are category of species are there and different kind of species like snakes, butterflies and tigers. There is a tiger population decline, forest tiger. There is a project tiger is the government era, like they can conserve the tigers in these tropical countries. And if come to the forest like project elephant, these kind of programs are there, government initiative for this action, they providing the BSc courses, BSc wildlife courses. This is about ecosystem of wildlife, study of wildlife ecosystem, wildlife animals and biodiversity and their conservation. Guys, we can protect the species and conserve the species for the next generation. Okay, we can balance the ecological system. So in that way, there is experts needed for the government, like government officers and as well the civilian society need experts of this wildlife science. And key topics in this: animal behavior, habitat management, endangered species protection. Guys, animal behavior is a study and there is a protection of wildlife for the endangered species or critically endangered species of category. There is a red data book, they can mention every year where there is a endangered species. So in that way they can offer the courses for the wildlife study for the bioscience students. So in this way, who guys interested in this studies about wildlife, you can join. There are many colleges offering the BSc wildlife science. Yes. And if come to the next, BSc environmental science. Guys, this is also most important and used for the courses which is professional for the like pollution department or environment department. There are many departments, they can need the experts, environmentalists. Okay, yes, it is interdisciplinary course covering pollution control and sustainability and climate change. Climate change is the huge challenge in the coming like years. So in that way we need experts, the climatologists, and we need experts, the environmentalists, and there are a pollution control board also there, they can provide huge jobs. Guys, this is the big challenge, sustainable development. Sustainable development, there are goals which is targeted goals by the created by the government for the 2030. In this way they can create more jobs for this. So you can join for the BSc environmental science. Okay, it is huge, unique and career opportunity. Yes, and great scope for the policy making, research, environmental industries. Guys, of course there is a research going on, environment challenges, and industrial environmentalists also need. There are huge pollution created by the industries. In that way we need to protect our environment from the industries. Like there is a mitigation processes, like who people are environmentalists going to create the mitigation of the pollution from the industries. So in this way industrial experts, environmental also need. Yes, and they can great scope in the policy making and research and environmental based policy making. Who can create the policies? If supposed to be there is a coal mines are there in India, there are many places. So in this way government create certain policies, people are who can like spoil this earth like land. So the who can make the policies relevant to the mines, environmentalists, they can create the policies. So in this way there are unique jobs and great job opportunities in the environmental science. If you guys interested, you can join immediately. This is the best course for you guys. Yep. And next, eligibility. Eligibility is who can like eligible to study these courses is forestry, environment and wildlife sciences. Who can eligible? Guys, 12th pass, biology, physics, chemistry is the core subjects, and entrance exam are there. Certain courses ICAR and MSET, APTS and university specific entrance. Guys, not about MSET, not about APSET, like some the universities who offered these courses, they can take the entrance test regarding their strategic plan. So universities are they can conduct the separate exam for this. If there is a forestry of Telangana government, there is a college is there, university is there in the Mulugu district, they can separate conduct their own exam. So you can write and join in that college. Yes. And eligibility and colleges, this is important. Yeah, Dr. Y.S. Parmar University, Horticulture and Forestry, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is the beautiful place. There is a forest academy Dehradun is there. So in that way there are huge life is there in this. Yeah, Forest Research Institute, FRI, Dehradun, Forest Research Institute. Of course, IAS people they can take the courses like training here. Yeah, and IFS, Indian Forest Service. Yeah, Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun. This is also North India, Dehradun. Amity University, Noida, Environmental Science and Wildlife Sanctuaries. Just look into this, how the beautiful locations are there. Yeah, Ferguson College, Pune, Environmental Science. Guys, these 5 colleges, they don't take the national exam. They can conduct their own strategic plan. They can conduct the entrance exam for this admission into these colleges. First one is Parmar University of Horticulture and Forestry, which is Himachal Pradesh, and Research Institute, Forest Research Institute, Dehradun, Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun, Amity University, Noida, Environmental Science, and Ferguson College, Pune. This is important, guys. Just focus it, go through the website of their colleges, and there is a column which is admissions. You can click it, and what is the application and where the application, the dates you have to apply it. Yes. And colleges in Telangana, guys, for the Telugu people, it is College of Forestry, Mulugu. This is actually university. They can offer courses, they can offer hostel facility, and they can offer the scholarship also for this course. Yeah, courses like B.Sc Honors Forestry. Most important, guys who passionate enter into the forest. Yeah, this is the right choice for you guys. Yep. Admissions via TS MSET. Yeah, of course, the people are already you did write the MSET, right? Based on your score, you can take the admission here. Yes. And Usmania University, Hyderabad also, environmental science they can provide. Of course, Usmania University, there are a number of colleges. In number of colleges, they can provide BSc Environmental Science. After BSc Environmental Science, you can go through the MSc PG Environmental Science, or else you can go through the specific courses. If you don't like after BSc Environmental Science, you can go the bioinformatics, biotechnology, other core subjects also you have to move after BSc Environmental Science. Okay, no need to worry. If you are joined in the Environmental Science BSc, you can go to the PG Environmental Science, any abroad universities, or else you can go through the other courses. Okay, so environmental science is a beautiful. It is the next challenge for the sustainable development programs. Yeah, goals. Yep. And 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. Guys, sustainable development goals are there 30 by the 2030 government are initiated, they can make the target for this environmental science and wildlife, and there are other forestry and all. Okay, yeah, forest cover is there 23% in the globally. In India also 23%. So it need to be increased up to the 33%, 1/3 of the earth surface. Yes. Just a minute. And if the government job passion, or else if the any animal diversity like wildlife science, if you go the national geography, photography, tourism, these kind of unique courses and passionable courses are very fine for these courses. If you admission in these courses is which is very fine for you guys, the passion you can turn into your career, turn into the huge life. Yes. Yes. And yeah, eligibility, colleges, top colleges in Telangana, which is like Mulugu, and they can offer the BSc, and admission is TS EMCET and Usmani University. There are number of colleges they can provide BSc Environmental Science. And if come to the AP, Andhra Pradesh, it is College of Mylavaram. Yeah, they can offer BSc courses is forestry and admission via AP MCET. Yeah, Andhra University, Visakhapatnam, they can offer the forest environmental science. Venkateshwara University, environmental science. Guys, if you go priority wise, first you go through the BSc forest, first priority. Second priority wildlife, forest wildlife science. Third priority is environment. First priority, prime priority is forestry, BSc. Second priority wildlife science, and third least priority is environment. In this courses, first priority is forest, second priority is wildlife science, and third priority is environmental science. As I analyzed according to the career opportunities. Okay, forest is huge career, and wildlife, then there is a passion guys who can offer the photography, and there is a research about animals. This is the beautiful. Okay, after that environment. Yes. And career opportunity, Indian Forest Services IFS, you can join after there is a exam, civil services, and wildlife biologist and ecologist, and environmental science or consultants, and NGO like Wildlife Fund and Wildlife Institution and BNH, and research and government projects. There are a number of projects are there initiated by globally or locally. So you can enter global UNICEF and UNESCO. These kind of organizations, they can provide jobs for these guys. Okay, this is huge, this is global. So you guys no need to worry if you enter these courses, which is huge future and unique and passion. Yes. And if come to the international opportunity, study abroad forestry wildlife in Canada, USA, Australia like countries, and work with global organizations like UNEP, United Nations Environmental Program, and FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, and National Geographical Channel, like that. These are the top most career opportunities destination for you guys. Okay. Yes. And final tips, choose the specialization based on your personal interest. Guys, if you are interested, only you have to join this. Okay. Yes, it is forestry versus environment. Participate in field work, research like internship, and prepare for UPSC ICAR. This is a different strategy, third column. Yeah, guys, this is the unique opportunity, don't miss it. Yeah, I hope this is the session is informative. Thank you so much.